Guys, this is what happens without a dashcam, especially kung hindi ka masyadong confident mag-measure ng space when parking. One wrong move, pwede ka na makabangga or magkaroon ng damage sa car mo. So, this is a rear-view mirror dashcam, your ultimate driving companion. Capture every detail with stunning 4K resolution at the front, while the rear records in crisp is 1080. With its mobile app, you can check the live footage anytime, anywhere, and it's a must-have talaga, especially nowadays. It records everything while you drive, so if accidents or incidents happen, you have clear video evidence, and it also helps when parking and gives you extra safety and peace of mind on the road. So don't just drive with full awareness and confidence with this smart dashcam. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now and experience our quality dashcam with full mobile monitoring. Visit LA Car Accessories at any of our 4 branches: Makati, Parañaque, Cebu, and Davao.